Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create organizational chart in Excel. So let's begin. First, create a new sheet or open your sheet. Go to Insert tab, SmartArt, Hierarchy, choose Organization Chart, click OK and hold Shift, select multiple shape, hold Shift again, resize. OK, then double click or simple click, type anything. Salesman. OK, press enter. Then add shape. Example, add salesman assistant. Right click on your mouse, add shape, add assistant or add shape below, add shape above, add shape before, add shape after. Choose your layout. Example, use add shape assistant. Sales assist. OK. Then again hold shape, choose multiple shape, right click on your mouse, again. Then right click on your mouse, change the fill color, outline, increase or decrease outline size, more colors. OK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.